benefit that you enjoy with SQLAlchemy is that you would be able to write, for example, Python codes in your project folder and directly be able to, map the different database schema to your Python objects. There's no need to create explicit SQL queries for accessing and retrieving things from the database. Now, so like I mentioned before, SQLAlchemy is more like a mapper, and this mapping is what allows SQLAlchemy to manage the underlying database, and it's very useful, especially if you are working on some application or web development frameworks. SQLAlchemy has a lot of extensions which you could use, and one of the popular extensions with which it is used is Flask via the extension called Flask SQLAlchemy extension. Now, apart from Flask, you have other frameworks, web-based frameworks, with which also there's a high integratability of SQLAlchemy, such as Bottle or Pyramid, even Django. But Django, for example, does not support all of the features of SQLAlchemy. So Flask really goes very well with SQLAlchemy, and that's something that in case you are interested in, you could explore in a separate video.